gold. The smell of it. The taste of it. Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. I hope you're doing great. Gold price is about to take off again, or the gold price if you want to be fancy about it. This story is out of Kitco, and the reason why is because, quite frankly, countries are panicking. Politicians are panicking. A lot of economists are starting to panic and going, I don't think the economy is as strong as the Fed and the mainstream media says it was. So do me a favor, type 1 down below, or actually first type gold if you own gold, and type 1 if you agree that no, the economy is not strong, Ninja. Type 2 if you think it's amazing and that you love CNN. All right, here we go. This story is out of Kitco. Gold prices to see another plus 20% year, rallying to around $3,300 as governments continue to spend. This comes from a gentleman named Eric Strand. Now, let me say first and foremost, when it comes to precious metals, I'm a fan of silver. Oh, crap. I don't got my silver. I got it. I'm a bigger fan of silver. Okay, that's just because I like more volatility in the price. But I do think that everyone should have, I do own gold, everyone should have God's money and the money that's in the Constitution. Gold and silver coins, right? I think it's very, very important. But the thing is that right now we're seeing all kinds of things going up, from the price of gold, price of silver, even the price of eggs. Seriously, how much are you paying for a dozen eggs? The other day I bought an 18-pack because I like my omelets, and it was $11.89 for an 18-pack of eggs. Let's dive into gold, but real quick, 72-hour sale, and then it closes down for another 6 months. Real Estate Master Course. If you want it, down below, one price for all of my real estate courses in the past and in the future are included, plus monthly coaching calls. If you want to learn how to buy a house and save a lot of money, no joking, I'll save you more than 10 times the cost of that course on your next purchase of a rental or a house. All right, there you go. There's my spiel. The gold market is experiencing its best start to a year since 2023, and is on track for its strongest monthly performance since September, as prices test the upper end range of their range near $2,750 an ounce. Now, I mean, honestly, say, type 3 if it's been just frustrating you, the price of gold is not moving higher faster. It seems to have been range bound in this $2,700 area for months and months, and we can't just seem to get it to pick up. It says January's robust start could signal another buying year, big year for the precious metal, even after it rallied roughly 27% last year, according to one fund manager. See, all those people in the stock market, you're like, hey, you should go buy gold and silver, and they're laughing at you because of their S&P ETF. Well, guess what? Since last year, you're winning. So if you're winning right now because your assets are going up more than a stock market investor, do me a favor and just hashtag winning down below. It says here, Eric Strand put out in his 2025 outlook, founder of the boutique precious metals firm AG Funds, stated that he expects gold prices to surpass $3,000 an ounce this year. He said, we predict that gold will break the $3,000 level during the year and potentially finish even higher with a realistic target of around $3,300, he said. I'm going to be honest with you. I believe going over $3,000 an ounce is baked into the cake for this year, especially as everyone starts getting, this is going to be exciting, news that inflation is worse. You're all dizzy right now. I can't even read who's in the comment section. I'm a little too close. But it's very true. The Federal Reserve, just they done screwed up. And they're going to end up having to raise interest rates because of rampant speculation, raising inflation, things like that. When that happens, what do you think is going to happen to the price of gold? Now, it says here, Strand's bullish target represents a 20% gain from current levels. As of just earlier today, gold was sitting around $2,759 an ounce. Strand said the new Trump administration could usher a new era of government stimulus and easier monetary policy. I'm going to be honest with you. When you're trying to cut the government, the last thing you want to do is spend more government money. Now, it'd be nice to just take a loan out from the Fed and just go, we're not paying you, and we're rebuking your charter. Man, type 5 if you think that would be awesome. Say, Federal Reserve, you've made enough money. Why don't you just do this? Oh, no, you know what? Well, we're not going to borrow any money from you. We're just not going to pay you back. You've been making lots of money turning Americans into slaves since the early 1900s. Oh, we're done. They're just so what bill? Just rip it up and throw it away. Now, he says here, while U.S. government debt has risen to historic levels, currently above 36 trillion, Strand notes that the U.S. is not alone. He highlighted that governments worldwide continue to engage in deficit spending. He says the amount of money in the system is increasing without much real growth being created, which naturally means that each monetary unit becomes less valuable, he said. And that's really all that's going on. Your gold and silver, it's just costing more. Oh, look at this. Hold on, I got me a squirrel moment. Look at this, and this is what we really have to think about and appreciate. Look at this art bar, Independence Day. And this is the thing, I'm not joking. Every single person today watching this video should go out and buy 1 ounce of silver. I know it's a gold video, but it's silver. And declare your independence from oligarchs, from central banks, from the banking system and the government. This is what the Constitution says money should be in this form, gold and silver coin. It's important. Look, there are all kinds of cycles hitting us right now. Real estate is not hyperinflating. I don't know if you've been reading the headlines, but nobody can sell homes. Days on market are extending. Home sellers are in trouble. New home builders are in trouble. That is going down while precious metals and crypto go up. At a certain point, you're going to need to think about moving from one sector to the next. That's how people get rich. They don't stay in the same job all their life. They don't own the same business all their life. I mean, think about Elon Musk. He went from business to business to business to business. That's how you make lots of money. As an investor, you don't just sit there and buy Apple at $1 and hold it forever. Nobody does that. You make a certain amount during a cycle, just like Warren Buffett is. You sell all your stocks, you move into treasuries, or you move into precious metals, and you move from cycle to cycle. That's what's next. We're going to see the Bitcoin to silver cycle blow your mind. Then we're going to see that silver cycle into real estate. But you got to learn about how to do it now. If you want all my courses for one price that I've ever made, there's a lot of them. And you get all the ones in the future, all the real estate courses. And guys, for everyone that bought the liens and deeds course, if you've bought it in the last few months, then you know what? Just email Dylan, say, hey, Dylan, can you credit me that much off of my purchase of the real estate master course? And he's going to refund you that amount. So it's even cheaper. Look, the link's down below. There's big changes happening in the market, and I want you to be ready for this. And I honestly believe everyone should have an ounce or two of gold. Everyone should have a bunch of silver. I believe everyone should be buying crypto right now because it's just going to make people a crap ton of money. But there are a lot of people that just want to own gold and silver, and that's cool because you're now separate from the dollar. So today, you know what? I'm going to go to a coin store. I'm going to buy me an ounce of silver. And then, hey, look at real quick. Crawfish asks, will silver go up and higher on a percentage base than gold? You know what? Let's do this. Before I answer, type yes or no. Will silver go up, everyone, on a higher percentage basis than gold in the next couple of years? Yes or no? And then as you guys are typing your answer, I'm going to give a big resounding yes. I love silver over gold. I love gold. God created it. He also paved the streets with it. That should tell you something. And also, Dorothy's slippers in the Wizard of Oz in the book, they weren't ruby red. That was a lie. They were silver. Because silver is what's going to take down the economy. Whew. That's all I got, guys. Economic Ninja is out.